Mila, drop the baby. Drop the little baby. It's only a little baby, isn't it? Mila? Mila, leave the baby. Come on then. Come on. Good girl. Leave the baby. It's a little baby, look. So tiny. Hmm? Right, don't touch it a minute. Mummy's going to go get a jar. Don't do anything, Mila. Don't do anything, Mila. Mimi? Mimi? No. Good girl. No. Leave the baby.
I imagine it took a significant amount of time
Mila?
and force to
Leave.
dismember the first arm.
Good girl. Leave.
Time he got to the second arm, the murderer had to hang him.
Leave it.
Evidence tells investigators that Chad Larky's dismemberment was not the work
Is it picking on you?
of a novice.
Is it picking on you, is it? Oh dear. Oh, it's hiding behind you. Is it your baby?
Do not release information about the discovery of the second arm.
Is that your baby?